8 February 2022, Karachi, Pakistan. A Hindu teacher was sentenced to life imprisonment by a local court over charges of blasphemy in Pakistan's southern Sindh province. The teacher, identified as Nautan Lal, was also fined Pakistani rupees 50,000 by the additional sessions judge. The court took 2 years to convict Lal, who has been in jail since 2019 as an under-trial prisoner. In the past 2 years, his requests for bail have been rejected twice. Lal was arrested in September 2019 after a video went viral on social media in which an intermediate student of the public school alleged that the Hindu teacher had committed blasphemy against the Prophet. The student claimed that Lal, who is the owner of the school and teaches physics at the local government degree college, had visited the school that day and committed the act. Shortly afterward, a leader of the Jamaat-e-Ahle Sunnat party and the local cleric, Mufti Abdul Karim Saeedi, filed a complaint with the police against Lal under the Blasphemy Act. As the news spread, a protest erupted in the town and a violent Hindu music mob attacked Sacho Satram Dham temple and brutalized Hindu deities in Gotki. The caretaker of the Sacho Satram temple, Jai Kumar, later said that around 50 masked terrorists had attacked the temple, but some 500 Hindu sympathizing Muslims later came and guarded the temple the whole night. Pakistan's blasphemy laws were enacted by former military dictator General Zia-ul-Haq in 1980s. Nobody has been executed under these laws, but several people have been killed on mere suspicion of committing blasphemy. In a similar situation on December 27, 2019, when a university lecturer, Zunaid Hafiz, was charged with blasphemy and handed down a death sentence by a court in Pakistan, the United Nations expert condemned it, calling it travesty of justice. UN experts commented on this matter and noted that international law permits the death penalty only in exceptional circumstances and requires incontrovertible evidence of intentional murder. Further, the UN experts said the death sentence imposed on Mr. Hafiz has no basis in either law or evidence and therefore contravenes international law. They continued, adding that carrying out sentence would amount to an arbitrary killing. They also expressed their serious concern that blasphemy charges are still being brought against people who are merely legitimately exercising their right to freedom of thought, conscience, religion, and expression. What the United Nations experts had said in 2019 would apply even today in 2022. But here it gets more serious. Human and civil rights groups have said that the blasphemy law is often misused to settle personal enmities and land disputes, particularly in rural areas. Thus, blasphemy law has become weaponized to wage lawfare on minority Hindus who form the biggest minority community in Pakistan. The international community, the United Nations, and much of the modern world understands the menace we Hindu minorities are undergoing. It is time we escalate these matters to the international human rights arena and protect the rights of us Hindus, the right to life and human rights of the indigenous people of Hindus worldwide. This is the duty of every Hindu.